Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Faiz and I am your speaking examiner for today's test. Before we begin the test, I'd like to ask you a few questions. What's your full name?
Myself, Sai Vishwesh.
And could you help me spell it?
SAI,
Mm-hmm.
VISH,
Mm-hmm.
WESH.
How do you like to be called?
Vishwesh?
Vishesh.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, Vishesh, before we begin the test, have you ever taken the test before?
No, this is my first time.
First time?
Yeah.
Would you like me to give you instructions of the test?
Yeah,
Or do you
sure,
understand
sure.
the format?
Give me the format.
Right. Vishesh, IELTS speaking test is divided into 3 parts. In the first part of the test, you'll be asked very simple basic questions about yourself, maybe about 4 to 6 questions. Moving on to the second part of the test, which is also known as the cue card test, where you would be given a piece of paper that would have questions mentioned on it. You'd have to speak for at least 2 minutes answering all the questions that are mentioned on the cue card. And the third part of the test, you'd be asked more questions from the broader subject of the second round. Do you understand that, Vishesh?
Yeah.
Yes? Let's begin the test. Vishesh, what do you do?
I'm a student
Mm-hmm.
who wants to pursue undergraduation abroad.
Mhm.
So I need to clear this test.
And what do you study?
I study intermediate.
Mhm.
Now I study maths, physics, chemistry,
Mhm.
which will help my UG course. And
Fair enough. And where do you study?
I study at Resonance Intermediate College,
Mhm.
which is in Madhapur. It's a very good college where they teach almost whatever I need. It's a college which suits my, the things which I want to study.
Fair enough. And what subjects do you have?
They're maths, physics, chemistry,
Mhm.
and the English.
Which one's your favorite subject, Vishesh?
English.
Why do you like that subject?
I'm so interested in it. And I want to. It keeps me awake. The classes I feel like sleeping, but no, not in English. So.
All right. And who's your favorite teacher?
Teacher Teju sir, because I just like him, the way he explains, the way he interacts with the class. I just love him.
Fair enough. Now I'm going to ask you a few questions about sports. Do you like sports?
Yeah, I do like sports, but now currently I'm not playing. But yeah, I do like sports.
What sports do you play?
I play cricket. From past 6 months, I'm not in the coach. I'm not taking the coaching, but yeah, I do like cricket.
What sports is popular in your country?
My country, cricket, obviously, because it's India, and yeah, cricket is very, very popular in my country.
What about young people? What sport do you think is popular with young people in your country?
Young people in my country, they like basketball more. As far as in my circle, most of my friends play basketball instead of cricket, but I choose cricket because I am interested in it and I like to play.
And how is the game of cricket played?
Cricket is just a ball and a bat, and we have 3 stumps. There's a bowler, batter, and the field people. You need to, the bowler will bowl, and then you need to hit. It depends, and there are many rules. So yeah.
Fair enough. Thank you so much. Vishesh, this brings us to the end of the first part of the test. We shall now move on to the second part of the test, where I am going to give you a cue card and a piece of paper so you can work on. This is your pen where you can use to write your notes. This is your cue card. And you're going to get a minute's time to prepare notes, and your minute begins now.
1 minute later.
Vishesh, your minute's up. I want you to please stop writing.
Sure.
You may keep the pen aside and go ahead. You may begin to speak now.
Yeah, my favorite foreign celebrity is David Warner. He's very famous for worldwide and in my country also. He's a very big celebrity. He's a cricket player, a batsman, and the thing is, he's very good at his sport and also engaging and entertaining with people. He, in my country, he's very famous because he did many Insta reels and he got close with people because he imitated many Indian actors, especially Telugu actors. And yeah, he recently also got a chance to act in Telugu movie. Still in the shoot, did not release, but yeah. What do the general public, he thinks he's a very funny character. Not only him, his family also. They all imitate characters and they do Insta reels where they got, socialized so much in my country also. He's equally the people give equal importance with the Indian players and David Warner. He's an Australian cricketer.
Fair enough. Thank you so much, Vishesh. This brings us to the end of the second part of the test. In the third part of the test, I am going to ask you more questions about celebrities. Right? Vishesh, how does one become a celebrity?
Fame, public image, the interactiveness they have, the image they have in the public, and yeah, the profession they are in.
Are all celebrities actors or singers?
No, not at all. For example, the celebrity I choose, he's a cricketer. He's very famous there. So yeah, not all celebrities are movies.
Do you think all celebrities are talented people?
Definitely. Without talent, no one can become a celebrity, for sure. Because it's not about the fame most of the time. It's about the talent also. It's first the talent because of which they got that fame and the image they have in the public.
Do you think celebrities make good role models?
Definitely, because my role model is MS Dhoni, who never gave up, and he's a very good cricketer. Myself, example. So, many people take inspiration from celebrities, which helps them to get succeeded in life. So, yeah, definitely.
Fair enough. Krishe, do you think there is a lot of news about celebrities?
Yeah, definitely. Any small act they do, it's instantly comes in the TV news or whatever, and it's spread across social media very quickly. And this media helps, reach so many people, even in the rural areas or the urban areas, without any difference.
And what qualities should a celebrity have?
He shouldn't he shouldn't act mess, and he should be very professional when he comes out. Sometimes it's irritating, but you need to act professional when you come out. I feel when you become a celebrity, you won't have peace, because whenever you go out, everyone will come to you. You'll have cameras around you most of the time, and you're almost most of your life is in the media, and everyone knows it. So I feel there's less privacy when you're a celebrity.
Thank you so much, Krishe. That was the last question, and this brings us to the end of the test. You've done really well.
Thank you.